and welcome to Small Town Justice, a production of LegallyInsaneFilms.com. I'm your host, Kyle O'Donnell. For this investigation, we have a humdinger.
How honestly did you think he was going to get away with it?
We not only have the entire story sitting right in front of us.
Everybody knows about people out there scamming folks, but it still happens no matter how vigilant you are.
We also have a felony conviction for racketeering.
They hit me with a racketeering charge, which that was actually the very first arrest. I ended up pleading no contest to all charges.
We have nearly 24 confirmed victims.
There were 20 victims that I know of
who were defrauded of $97,000.
I think it was going to cost us maybe $11,000.
You know, I'm out $6,400.
Sean put down a deposit, $6,400.
I stood there and counted it out in $100 bills for him. And he just walked out the door. And I remember standing there just thinking, why do I have this knot in my stomach right now?
And some of whom even had their homes destroyed.
He came in and ripped out their kitchen cabinets and threw them in the front yard and cut their PVC pipes so they had no water or electricity for 3 months.
He operated out of false storefronts.
Yeah, he had several businesses, several storefronts.
We have evidence that the perpetrator was working with co-conspirators.
I did business with a wholesale cabinet group, and I find out that he was under another name. So now I'm seeing all of these reviews, and I'm thinking, it's both of them.
And even claims of involving his own family members.
You know, his relatives, he had a small crew. They all did the work.
His family is involved in that too. His brother does the same kind of thing. His wife is the one that took out the business license in her name so that nothing could be tracked back to him.
We have interviews with the Better Business Bureau, who initially found and turned the case over to authorities.
We serve as a bridge between businesses and consumers to try and bring them both together and be a neutral mediator, if you will.
We have an ace prosecutor that put him away for 10 years.
With that district attorney, she was sharp.
And locked in an additional 25 years of probation.
She did an excellent job with this case. I was very proud of the way she handled it. Our office was proud of the way she handled it.
In a story that I'm calling The Cabinet Con.